The SCS 724 Plus Workstation Monitor continuously monitors the path-to-ground integrity and body voltage of two operators, as well as the path-to-ground integrity for one conductive or dissipative work surface. The 724 Plus Workstation Monitor is designed with digital signal processing technology for true continuous monitoring of wrist strap functionality and operator safety according to accepted industry standards. The 724 Plus Workstation Monitor features operator body voltage detection. It will alarm if the operator generates or comes in contact with voltage that would be dangerous to an ESD susceptible item. Determine where on the bench you will be mounting the 724 Plus monitor. It should be placed in a spot that will always be visible to the operator. You will also need to determine the mounting location of the dual operator remote. The jacks need to be accessible to the operator. Locate this remote within reach of the included gray remote cable. Again, the mounting tabs on the remote's enclosure can be used to securely mount it underneath the workbench top. Begin by connecting the green monitor ground wire to a ground facility outlet, or if connected to a workbench, an installed grounding hub that is connected to the facility ground. This is done via the ring terminal end of the cord. Connect the other end of the monitor ground cord to the monitor terminal block, using a small screwdriver to securely connect the tin end of the cord into the block terminal. Next, we will connect the white mat monitor cord to the workstation mat. This cord is needed in order to verify that the ground connection is on the mat. This cord does not ground the mat. Install the mat monitor cord opposite from the mat ground cord. Poke a hole through the mat material, place the countersunk washer and flathead screw through the underside of the mat, and screw the dome connector firmly and secured into place. Connect the other end of the mat monitor cord to the remaining open slot on the terminal block, and again using a small screwdriver, secure the tinned end of the cord in place. Once both the white mat monitor cord and the green monitor ground cord have been installed into the terminal block, install the terminal block into the back of the 724 Plus monitor. Make sure to plug the block into the correct orientation. The back of the monitor will specify which connection is for the ground and which one is for the mat monitor. Next, connect the operator remote cable to the back of the remote and route the cable back to the monitor and connect the cord on the back. Lastly, connect the power adapter to the labeled jack on the back of the 724 Plus monitor and plug the other end to an AC wall outlet. If everything is wired and operating correctly, the blue light on the operator remote will illuminate and the matte light on the 724 Plus monitor will illuminate green. The 724 Plus monitor is now fully installed and ready to monitor an operator. Install a dual-wire wrist strap snugly to the wrist. Connect the cord to the wrist strap and plug the wrist strap cord into the operator jack on the remote. The operator is now grounded and being monitored by the 724 Plus monitor.